In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your shared mailbox to HubSpot inbox in HubSpot CRM. By following these steps, you'll streamline your email communication, making it easier to manage conversations in one centralized location. Let's get started. First, navigate to your HubSpot dashboard. On the top right corner, you'll find the settings icon, which looks like a small gear. Click on it to access HubSpot settings. This will open the general settings page, where you'll manage all your account configurations. Once you're in the settings menu, look for the section labeled Inbox and give it a click. The Inbox section is where you'll manage and configure all your connected email accounts. From here, you can set up new connections and manage existing inboxes. Next, you'll see a list labeled Inboxes on the left-hand side of the screen. Select this to proceed further into your inbox settings. This page will display all the inboxes currently connected to your HubSpot account. You'll also find options to create, modify, or delete these inboxes as needed. At the top right, look for a button that says Actions. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear, offering various options for managing your inboxes. From this drop-down, select Create New Inbox. This will initiate the process of setting up a new mailbox connection. Now, you will be prompted to provide a name for your new inbox. Enter a name that clearly represents the shared mailbox you wish to connect. This name should be easily identifiable by you and your team, especially if you manage multiple inboxes. Once you've entered a suitable name, click on the Next button to proceed. This confirmation step will ensure that the name is saved, and you'll move on to the next part of the setup. Now, click on Team Email. This selection indicates that the inbox will be used for team-based communication rather than personal emails. It's essential for making sure the right permissions and settings are applied. In the following step, you'll select Gmail if your shared mailbox is hosted on this platform. Clicking Gmail prepares HubSpot to connect directly with your email provider for smooth synchronization. Next, click Continue to move forward with the integration. This action typically involves a few seconds as HubSpot interfaces with Gmail's authentication process. You'll then be directed to your chosen website for Gmail authentication. A separate window will pop open, guiding you through Google's login process. Here, you'll authorize HubSpot to access your shared mailbox by logging in using your Gmail credentials. Finally, follow all on-screen prompts. This part of the process involves confirming permissions and granting access, so HubSpot can manage your emails effectively. Once completed, your shared mailbox will be fully connected to HubSpot Inbox, ready to streamline your communication processes. Thank you for joining me today. By connecting your shared mailbox to HubSpot Inbox, you're ensuring all team members have the visibility they need to maintain well-organized communication. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more instructional content.